Students, today we will learn how to make flying bird with step by step for junior section. So let's start now. First, we'll make here oval. Okay, like this oval. Then you'll make here circle. Okay, small circle. Second step, same. Make here tail. Okay, and we will give here beak. Okay, third step. Okay, put here two curved line. Fourth step, we will put here two curved line and then again we will put here like this curved line. You will give the line lightly. Okay, খুব পাতলাকে দিবা আৰু এই লাইনটো এই দুইটা লাইন প্ৰায় মিলি থাকিব লাগিব, ইয়াৰ ষ্ট্ৰেট হৈ থাকিব লাগিব। ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া ইয়াত আমি মিডল পাৰ্টত এনেকৈ ষ্ট্ৰাইপ দি দিলোঁ। এতিয়া আমি এইটো এনেকৈ কাৰ্ভ কৰি দিছোঁ। অ'কে, then you will make here line. Okay, this is big. You put here eyes. Okay, okay, finished. When drawing will be finished, then you start black outline. You will give outline whole part. Okay, I put here orange color. Okay, you put here orange color. When the drawing will be color will be finished, then we'll put yellow color. Okay, then we'll put here light blue color. And you will put here blue color. Blue color dark or patolke parile diba, enake light ke di diba, aru big tooth red color use koriba. Okay, now finish the drawing. Okay, oh, we put here yellow color. Okay.